Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are having a good one. I hope you guys came out on the other side of CPI live. For those that weren't trading with us, Jev, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Doing good. How are you?
I'm great, brother. I'm great.
Lovely.
Yeah, guys, CPI killed me, lol. Hey, stuff one, you should have been with the G's. You should have been with the G's. The rest of the boys celebrating. Yeah, what a day to be alive. CPI murdered, and on the Rockets ain't got shit on us. Hey, they don't. But we are ready to kick things off. Guys, I won't even lie to you. I'm not trading. I'm not trading after that CPI. We pocketed more than enough for that one, so I'm 100% good there. Definitely going to be chilling out the session. So we're going to see maybe Jeff has something on the cards for you guys. Otherwise, it might even be a bit of a short one. Obviously, we're going to wrap up ahead of knowing we've got FOMC tonight. So maybe we don't get a few more straight shot moves. Maybe we consolidate a little bit now, even though we are going to talk a little bit about what happened with the CPI event. But we could get a bit of consolidation now ahead of going into FOMC tonight. So other than that, I think let's just dive right into it. So when we start looking at CPI, guys, we came out lower across the board. So core CPI month on month, we weren't expecting 0.3 coming out flat. We came out 1% lower to 0.2. CPI month on month, 0.3, they expected a drop to 0.1. We came out lower at 0.0. And then CPI year on year, 3.4 to come out flat, and we came out 1% at 3.3. So again, coming out below across the board, guys. So for me, the thing is, this is straight. We came out bearish. That is a straight bearish move. Weakening the dollar, but as I said, you do have FOMC coming out tonight, which is going to be interesting now, understanding what just happened. Yeah. So I know a lot of guys are saying, yeah, imagine we come out bearish there as well. That can be the case, but I'm not going to lie to you. I don't think that'll be the case. If you were pretty much a spot on news release, we obviously were in the sells, bearish dollar, and then the buys against that. DXY, we said we were looking for the 104, 165 as the target, and that was spot on. So actually a very, very good CPI session. DXY, as we said, we are now bearish. So bearish, as you guys know, I said bearish till FOMC, and then basically neutral. So again, we're going to take the neutral outlook for the session, basically going in, as I said, purely because of FOMC. You know what? I even actually say I'm more bearish. I'm more bearish, and I've been looking out and aware of a neutral pullback for FOMC, but we are bearish with that across the board. So that has confirmed that for us. The neutral move will probably be for the gap fill because of the gap to the top now. But that's about it, guys. So nothing too crazy with DXY then. With indices, as much as NASDAQ was the hard one, we spoke about NASDAQ not having this pullback purely because of it having the weaker dollar, but also having as companies the two driving forces behind it being Nvidia and Apple, which are just skyrocketing. So we can just see that continuation on NASDAQ. Where it is now, nowhere yet. I would even consider taking a trade. If anything, maybe the weekly resistance. But as I said, wouldn't even consider a trade on NASDAQ right now. With US 30, same thing, not trading your daily pivot EQ, just one way to the top side. We are looking here at the top now. So again, two major resistance zones broken. This is what we want to watch out for. So this zone will be the zone I'm going to look for that pullback and retest. These little ones over there we can actually get rid of. But that's what we're going to keep an eye on. So literally over there, having our pullback to this, if anything, we want to take a trade from there already at the R2. So nothing, yeah, I take from there. Then finally with gold, that was again your big bullish move. So actually everything we can now flip bullish again on. As I said, this was our outlook, so we're waiting for, and our confirmation bearish across the board. So we can flip more bullish again with these things. Let's just do that quickly. And then gold, as I was saying, gold now breaking back above. So we are now finally away from that 2300 area. 2330 on the cards and 2345 becoming our next targets over here. So very, very similar to everything else. We can see maybe a possible pullback to 2325, I'd even say, or 2330, but 2325 being a nice number over there. Even with there, they say 2327, that zone. But otherwise, first target 2346 at that resistance level. But again, very, very extended, nothing really over there. I just want to jump in on. So even the fact, as I said, I'm not probably trading the session. There's nothing really right now I even would actually look comfortable taking a trade on. And that's just the honest outlook on that. But over to my boy Jev. Let's see what he has for you guys.
Okay, guys. So finally, like you guys remember, beginning of this week, I said DXY, this first to 4 hour candles, my weekly structure box. I need to see price break out of it. Initially, top to the upside, looking for sells, to the downside, looking for buys. Now, the break to the upside didn't give us the pattern we're looking for to actually catch these sells to the downside. But now that we're actually dropping down, I love it. So I would actually like to see the dollar drop even more towards the weekly pivot, the S1, or even up until this demand zone over here. So with FOMC coming out, I wouldn't be surprised later on when they started the speech and price basically does this and then pops to the upside. So just be careful on the dollar today. But initially, I'm expecting a weaker dollar for the session until we get to the zone to potentially get to that reversal. And then hopping over to gold. You can see gold also now currently within a supply zone over here, but price breaking above it. So that's showing us that supply long in control and demand looking to take control. So we have a demand zone down here as well as a demand zone over here. So when price trades all the way down, I would just say look for your perfect pattern, because as you can see over here, consolidation, some manipulation, this could be distribution up until this zone, and then at the S1 we could see that reversal coming in, taking out the New York liquidity from yesterday before looking for longs. So like he also said, now I don't think I'm gonna find anything on the session right now. We need to see price actually do its thing, consolidate a bit, make new moves, and actually travel to our zones. Then on Euro USD, this morning almost got into these buys. The price didn't tap us in, but initially also over here, you can see over here price breaking through that supply zone. So supply is long control but looking for demand. Price also filling that gap over there and now in the supply zone. So this could now also cater for that little pullback towards the downside before we can look to go long again. Also same thing, it's a lot to ask for, but I would want to see EU come all the way down, daily pivot, before trading back up. So we'll see what FMC holds later on today. On GBP USD as well, prices went to the upside, filling all of this imbalance, breaking to that supply zone. And currently on my book, there's nothing for me here. I need to see these retracements happen. Nasdaq, I think, new all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken. So also on this staying out, I need to see actual pullbacks before looking to go long. So the next zone on the table over here most likely be after take out these Asian lows and this demand zone over here. And if this doesn't hold, potentially we'll look in this fair value gap where the daily pivot lies. But it's all about your pattern you're looking for. But USDT looks good. So initially it's either going to be this zone over here where we get a reaction for price to buy from. Only concern is untested Asian lows, and I still have this demand zone marked out over here, but that's a very, very long way down. So potentially in this session, what we might get is something like this. So here's that break towards the upside. Here's the lowest prices lift, and then here's the demand prices lift. So initially, either one of two things will happen: continuation towards the upside, or this will fail, and then basically flipping from demand to supply, and then having that pullback towards the downside to cater for a little bit move down, and then continue to the upside. Basically, that's me.
All right, guys. So pretty locked in there. Linden, CPI smash, Donkey Project G. Hey, Linden, always giving right back, my man. We've got 8 minutes till market open, guys. Then we're going to see what happens. I think, honestly, it's just those days. Yes, you want to capitalize on the news and have fun, but if there's honestly nothing else to capitalize on too much, I think we might even just call it early. Give you guys a bit of analysis, see market open, and then see what's there. Not going to waste time if anything's just priced in or just out of zones. Well, might still give away all their props there after FMC. That's one thing, guys. I also won't be. We will be doing it live with our community, watching it, going through the press conference, but won't be trading anything though. Shiraz, hey bro, what's up? Does FMC usually create a bigger move than CPI? No, it doesn't. I took an L on Nas. Unlucky, brother. Passed my prop account with CPI. Awesome, bro. Awesome, awesome.
Fabs, a quick question. Why are you hiding Siraj's messages? I don't think the man's a troll. Oh, sorry. That's weird. It said, message was hidden by Fabio. That's odd. Sorry, it might have been a mistake. Slash, I don't think. Yeah, obviously he's in a meeting at work. Could have been a mistake. But it's all good, guys. It's all love. It's all love. Relax, Slash. I think it was a mistake. All good, Fabio. Don't worry, man. Don't worry.
Alright.
Yeah, that's also why I asked Slash, because it shows hidden by you. But if Slash is, it's Fabs, it wasn't him. I think we can take his word for it. This man's been around here, so he wouldn't lie about it.
What happened now?
Oh no, so Suraj was it shows that his message was hidden by Fabio. I asked Fabio why did you do it. Fabio wasn't him. But yeah, I think it was a mistake.
Well, CPI is kind of better than NFP. It doesn't have much of a wick, goes to the direction almost immediately. Yes, Mark, that's because CPI you can't manipulate, and CPI is one event that comes out. Keep in mind, on NFP there's 3 news releases that come out at the same time. So one can be a bullish for dollar, one can be bearish for dollar, and that's what we call mixed data, and that's where you get those wicks. But yeah, CPI almost never ever will wick. I'm not hiding. I'm in a meeting for work. Yeah. Charles and Vlog. I'm not even doing anything, guys. I'm in a work. Yeah, I don't see Fobs doing that though. But how are you chatting then, guys? Probably another Fabio. Okay, thanks for that, Keeks. Yeah, no stress, bro.
Okay, so Raj, let's not spam the chat though. Let's not talk about beer and cigarettes in the chat there. Let's keep it clean. Let's keep it green. Keep it.
No, cool, bro. I'm glad for you, brother. Oh, that's Teen, not Siraj. Yeah. Happy for you, Pablo.
Sorry? No way. You see?
Let's see what's on the charts here. Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna just see what happens. Yeah, maybe give it a little bit of time, but if I'm honestly not trading and there isn't even anything realistically, I'd try to help you guys and sit you through. Then we might even just call it. Won't waste your guys' time. I chicken out of the CPI with my funded account, hard breach trauma. I used my $100 account instead and got 30% thanks to Keegs. No DGen account yet. Hey, awesome, brother, awesome. Nah, bro, but again, nothing wrong with that. I always say, guys, I'll never promote trading a news event with a funded account. I'll never promote that. Keegan, did you catch the gold in USD Riyadh? Yes, we did. You can go check my socials, brother. We caught it with all the Prodigy guys. Yeah, true, bro. Maybe he had no defined TP. Keys, what pivots do you use on Trading View and any settings? It's pivot standard and just the usual settings, bro. Hi 2Gs, well done, you gents milked the CPI. Really appreciate it, Tissy. Yeah, was a banger. Yeah, so been a very, very good week for us so far. I mean, 100% win rate this week so far with some massive trades. Keys and Chris changing lives. London, really appreciate the kind words, bro. What did the Ferrari boys do? I don't know, guys. Where's Kalen? Is Kalen here? What did they do? USD. I saw someone did tell us. Donnie, I think, was telling us that there were 3 other streamers. I think it was Donnie. Like 3 other streamers or something. They were all selling, so they all got clapped. Joash bought. Ah, okay. Oaks need to make these decisions before you get into a trade. Greed will cost you big otherwise. Speaking from experience, yeah. That is very, very true. USD tapped in fair value gap on the 1 minute for shorts.
Not yet, my man. Structure is still bullish.
Yeah, the thing is, bro, like there's a reason for all this bullish momentum. To try short that, I think you might get clapped. This thing can be bullish for a very long time right now. Well, let's just say it's the only brick wall this thing's going to first hit is going to be FOMC tonight. Yes, they sold on gold. Yes, they sold on gold when I was looking. Yeah, there we go. I'm 80% my funded. Lovely CPI. Can't wait for FOMC. And there we go, guys. Markets are open. Round 6. Fight.
No, it's all love, Fabio. We know you wouldn't just do something for no reason. But yeah, don't worry about it.
Did you guys trade CPI live, guys? Yes, we did, but with our Project G members.
See, Brad, now I would consider it to flip with that new low being made. And then you'll see there's a new fair value gap forming. But this candle has to close below the low.
Yeah, just keep in mind that is the market open though. That's that 15-minute manipulation.
That makes sense. Makes sense.
The wrenches need some Q20. I closed 70 pips on shorts. Huh?
You're so quick.
Huh? 70?
70
wait,
pips.
Whoa. What? Even if you sold at the very top. Wait, where did you sell from that you got the 70 pips?
If you took the high of the fair value, I don't know how.
That's why I don't. Damn, bro. I'll be listening shortly after this meeting. Thanks, boys. No stress, bro. Subkey and Jeff, Joash sent his signal on his private group, not signal group. He said it was due to personal reasons. Oh,
Sure, Joash.
His personal reasons is he's taking a hit on the marketing, so he'll rather advertise the signal to a lower group number. Can you guys please help me? Can you guys please check TC stocks view? It helps me a lot if possible for you.
TC is.
But why can't you just look at it?
Are you talking about? Wait. You're talking about Tata Consultancy? Is that the one you're referring to?
What are the pivots with regards to the trading plan from your Discord? The pivots is the indicator, brother. You're scared people are going to move him. Exactly. Afternoon, James. How's it going? Didn't catch CPI. Was it work? How did it go for you guys? We caught it, bro. Smashed it out the park. Only because you can't get access to your signals, Keegan. Yeah, the boys are stuck. They can't come watch the free signals anymore. Bitcoin fly. The Siraj is all over the place.
Yo, brother, you still holding that USDT?
Maybe these guys are, yeah, no.
So I feel like an asshole. So I go downstairs, ne, and like, oh no, like they want to talk about Volt. You know, I'm like, okay, yeah, but you have to make an appointment live right now. So I tell, obviously, like they have to go. They turn around, they go. I'm like, what are they greeting? And it's like Shaquille. And it's like, so why don't you just say you know the man? This was a different story, and I would have let you in. And when he saw them, he also went with crazy.
Okay.
And closed.
You're feeling the
Okay.
Peach Nation again. Major Chris to your shop, brother. Nas flying the previous highs. We'll look for shorts. Of course, he made 400k. The thing is, guys. So, for example, I'm just gonna say something. There's another influencer that posted how he took 7k to 100k. Okay, but I want you guys just to understand something. We are all under the same liquidity provider. We all use the same LP. So if I, on a live account, could not even open a 0.1 on US30, how was he opening 0.27s and putting buy stops and scaling it? Just ask yourself that. If I couldn't, we all on the same server, we all use the same LP. How could I not enter it, but he could? And you go look at the time, he enters at the same time as me. Your answer is because it's a demo account. So the markets can execute on it because there's no real money behind it. Just giving you guys a little insight there. To make a withdrawal from Meta, I'm sure you need to do it with Vault. Yeah, bro, you're not doing it from Meta, you do it on your Vault Market. So go into your Vault Markets account, then go internal transfer from the account to your wallet. From your wallet, you then can do withdrawal to your bank account. Hey, bro, I took a trade in gold, which was a one lot, and also put stop loss there, but it does not stop in its stop loss. It goes up and stops rather 1 to 2 minutes later, and my account washed. And why is that so? Nishad, I've gone over this because you are a moron if you're trading a news event with a stop loss. You will be slipped. This is something everyone is warned about. Stop losses do not work in a news event. It's just way too fast. The slippage is way too high. It will never ever respect your stop loss. Even if you have a TP, it won't respect your TP. You'll actually make more profits than what your TP was. Apple is flying. Recovered from NFP with CPI. I hope you'll chop the markets. Yeah, brother, we killed it. About DXY, rest in peace. Am I the only one short on US30? Maybe, bro. I don't know.
Boss Bobby, the only thing I can think of why that could happen is your contract size. So even if you have more leverage, your contract size could still be much smaller than the other, per se, broker liquidity provider. And that's how the difference comes.
Yeah, keep in mind I remember it's the margin. The margin requirements open up a lot more. So yeah, your accounts can get very, very crazy. Yo, what is this person doing? They're getting timed out, yeah. Should I hold for long? Should I hold for long? Oh, just spamming, I'm guessing. Rookie move, bro. Yeah, Keaton brother couldn't enter on MT5 and he uses Vault Markets. Is it a liquidity provider? I don't know. Yeah, he entered too late. So either margin was too high or he was entering too late that the LPs can't take the order. News events, you got to be entering earlier. That's why we enter. If you traded with us, you'll see we enter around about 5 minutes before the news event. And then already the margins opened up at that time. XNES terminal stopped working. Meta, help me today. Well, Siraj, we are not Meta, so we can't help you. How's Vault Market compared to IFX? IFX struggled with high impact news. The freeze and stuff isn't helping with them. Well, brother, come try it. I can't tell you how it is. You come try it for yourself. Randy, the South African billionaire, how does he take 200 USD to 1 million? Antique, if you think he does that, you need help, my brother. Keys can't stop smile. You don't need. What? Keys can't stop smile. You don't need to be told that he smashed TP aggressively. Vault always works for me, bro. Yeah, honestly, nothing wrong with Vault, guys. Honestly, guys, I'm really not seeing anything. Nasdaq just gonna continue. I can't take any trades there. US30, as I say, that's probably my only area, not doing much. Because keep in mind, yeah, you've got this thing trying to fight back at the S5 of the day. Gold can have a bit of pullbacks. Remember, everything can pull back. They can retrace the whole move and carry on by FOMC. It's obviously you literally had a massive day now. You aren't just greedy if you're still going to try trade and then try trade FOMC. Like, you're just being greedy. With demo trading, anything's possible. Thanks, I'll sign up. Awesome. I'm going to give it like 5 minutes, guys. I think we might even just call it, like I say then. Jeff, is there anything you see potential on the cards?
To be honest, no. I want to honestly, I'm waiting for FOMC now to actually see what the market wants to do, because with all, like, there's been so much data coming out.
They need to respond to this now.
Yeah. But you?
No, really nothing. For me, like I said, this, if anything, for example, like, they can, two things. You can hold the support now and now just consolidate the whole session, or you can retrace the whole move and consolidate until FOMC, and that's just what could happen. So I don't think Nasdaq will, because obviously, as I said, Nasdaq's got the two other major driving forces behind it, but US30 and gold, for example, can. And DXY could maybe retrace a bit of the move and then, as I say, consolidate. And if I am, like I said, if you killed CPI, now you still want to try trade now, and then what, take an hour, 2 hour break, and then trade FOMC, you're just being greedy. Big Ed, your entry video is very insightful, brother. Keep up the lovely work, bro. Yeah, guys, definitely go show him some love. Definitely up in the community out there. Someone asked about IFX here. Personally, I use it for 2 years and switched to Vault Market. I can say Vault is much better by far. Awesome, Kellen. Can't ignore the charts. Steer up Discord. Okay, I'll check there, bro. Investments to the moon with Nas flying, yeah. Am I being greedy if I'm trying to pass my FTMO and it's my second week in and I've only made 2%? No, you wouldn't be greedy. I mean, if you've been on for 2 weeks, that means you're only doing 1% a week. Not greedy. You're right there, Keys. Yeah. XS does not let you close trades. You close your on TP with stop loss hit during news events. Oh, hectic. I've never had that issue, but again, I don't trade news on that account. The guy's living like a billionaire, though. Is he living like a billionaire? Like, do you understand the difference in a millionaire and a billionaire? Just before we want to say that.
Okay, I will just say this, and this is my opinion. Don't attack me for calling this guy a scammer, but like, Diop Randy, go look at his client base. It's kids, high school kids who don't have funds, who all trade demo accounts. And his thing is, I'm showing you the skill. I'm showing you the skill. So even if you do it on a demo account, he will use it results as with his clients.
Okay, my thing is, hold on. I don't even know who this guy is. I'm gonna look here on IG because you guys are saying he looks like a billionaire.
I don't think you're gonna find him on. I don't. Shit, I don't know if he blocked me.
What's his thing?
Dioperandi. It should be Dioperandi.
How the hell do you spell that? Where was this guy's name?
Yeah, I don't know if you saw that video. So did you guys see that video that Rydel Fix took with Dioperandi? Did you guys see that photo? Shit, it's a pity I went to Rydel's chat now. Obviously, I can't see the story I replied to. I want to show you guys what Dioperandi looks like.
I think is the one. I don't know if this is his page.
Let me see.
Bro, okay, hold on then. The guy's got one post with a Ferrari, one post at a hotel, and that's it. And you're telling me he looks like a billionaire.
Bradley, I don't have.
And he drives has another photo with a Maserati.
Brad, I only have one Facebook account which I don't have access to. All the posts on that account is linked to my Instagram. So whenever I post on this, seems like I'm active on the account, but I just link to my Instagram, but I don't use Facebook. So any messages you receive from me on Facebook, it's not me. And a very simple way to confirm it is me, having a call with the person.
Yeah, my thing is, yeah, bro, that is definitely not a billionaire. Definitely not a billionaire. Kalen, you stirring in the pot there. Yeah, guys. I mean, that's markets are open. The 50-minute shuffle's come and gone. But honestly, just yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, I won't trade. We had CPI. Yeah, but it's definitely not going to entertain lighties, bro. But yeah, Jeff, I mean, if we're going to call it there, bro, what?
So I'm only seeing Caden's message here now.
Any closing remarks then, brother?
No, I'm good. I'm good. And from my side, guys, don't do anything that I wouldn't do. Like the moves have happened. We all know that there's another event coming out later on. So don't disappoint yourself by doing something now, by letting your ego, for instance, convince you and make you see something that's not there. Wait for the moves to happen. Let the market do its thing. Tomorrow's not a day as well.
Yeah. These all honestly, that a guy like that's not even on our radar. Like I said, I don't even know who the hell he is. I just search him and I spell his name. But yeah, we've got our contacts. But again, I don't even need to expose the guy. Like if you think that man is real, that is sad. But yeah, I think that is going to be it. No billionaire to millionaire, only roadside Romeo. Yeah, that's going to be it, guys. CPI milked with the Prodigy. Guys, if you missed out, unfortunately, you guys missed out then. You knew where to sign up to trade with us. Maybe next time. But for the Prodigy, guys, we're going to see you guys in FOMC a little later on. So be ready for that one. We won't be trading, but we will just run through. We can watch the press conference together. And we'll take it from there. But otherwise, guys, stay blessed, stay safe, look after those pips, and we're going to see you guys on the flip side tomorrow. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Check it, chat.